My name is Kemitayo. Today we'll be talking about ratio. When we express two quantities as a ratio, we either write them in fractions or we use the symbol, that is the column symbol. That is it. Ratios are usually used to compare two or more things. Take for example, we say Kunle is 6 years old, Shegun is 12 years old. Now we want to tell their ages as a ratio of one to the other. We say that Kunle and Shegun have their age ratio as 6:12. In fraction, we can simply write it as 6/12. And when we simplify, we have 1/2. So that same age ratio can be written as ratio 1:2. When solving problems involving ratios, there are two things that we must have before such a problem can be solved. The first thing is the ratio, and the second thing is the total quantity. For example, in a class, there are 15 girls and 25 boys. What is the ratio of the number of girls to boys? In the question, we see that the number of girls is 15 and the number of boys is 25. To write out this ratio, we simply write out the numbers as they were given. That is, number of girls, 15. Number of boys, 25. So we say 15:25. We could simplify because this can be divided further. And so we have 5 divided by 15 to give us 3. 5 divided by 25 to give us 5. So the ratio of girls to boys in that class will be ratio 3:5. Second question, what is the ratio of boys to girls? This time around, the boys come first. So we have 25:15. Simplify, you have 5:3. It's as simple as that. Now the last question says, what is the ratio of girls to the total number of pupils in the class? The total number of pupils in the class can simply be gotten by adding the number of boys and the number of girls. That is 15 plus 25, which is equal to 40. So the ratio of girls to the total number of pupils will be 15:40. We simplify further, we will have 5 divide 15 to give us 3, 5 divide 40 to give us 8, which gives a ratio of 3:8. We use ratio to compare quantities of same units, which means it is important that you change the units of your quantities to be the same. That is when the ratio can be applicable. Take, for example, you want to compare two lengths. They must be in the same unit, be it centimeters or meters. If you're comparing time, even if your time given is seconds and minutes, you must convert the minutes to seconds to have the same unit. When you do this, you're on the right path. I hope you have learned something new today. Thank you and bye-bye.